everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be making an anti-aging moisturizer. Now, what is a moisturizer? A moisturizer is a skincare product that help to keep the skin hydrated, soft, and supple. However, a moisturizer tend to target different skin issues, such as reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosting collagen production in the skin, clearing the skin of hyperpigmentation. Some moisturizer is great for getting rid of dull looking skin and brightening and firming the skin. All of this is because of the ingredients that are used in these moisturizer. So you have moisturizer that are rich in vitamin C, moisturizer that are rich in vitamin A, and moisturizer that are rich in vitamin E. However, regardless of what is in the moisturizer, they all help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. In today's video, my moisturizer is an anti-aging moisturizer. It is rich in both vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that is going to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, brighten and lighten the skin, and boost the collagen production in the skin, then this video is for you, so continue watching. Our first ingredient is almond oil, and we're using the almond oil for its high vitamin C properties. It also contains the electrolytes which help to lock the moisture in the skin. Almond oil, when used on the skin on a regular, will keep the skin hydrated. It is also a very light oil, making it perfect to apply topically to most skin type. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the almond oil, and I'm using it as our carrier oil. You can also use grapeseed oil instead of almond oil for this recipe. And now let's move on to our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is a vegetable glycerin. And vegetable glycerin will help to moisturize and hydrate the skin. It is also good for locking the moisture in the skin. Vegetable glycerin also acts as a preservative in this recipe. I'm using a half a teaspoon of a vegetable glycerin. And let's pour this in. Now, if you do not have vegetable glycerin, you can just go ahead and use a little bit of a honey or even some aloe vera gel in this recipe. And now, guys, we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. We are mixing vegetable glycerin and almond oil. Now, once you mix the two together, what you're going to notice is that it's going to get really jelly-like, and that is okay. This is exactly how you want it to be. Another thing about this recipe is that it have a long shelf life, so you can choose to double up on the ingredient and make a little more. Our next oil is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil is an amazing oil to use on the skin, and is also an amazing oil to lock that moisture in the skin, seep deep into the pores, and keep the skin hydrated and supple for longer. It is a great oil for dry skin. It's good for oily skin, and it is also perfect for sensitive skin. So an all-rounder amazing facial oil. So now we have almond oil, we also have vegetable glycerin and vitamin E oil, and we're gonna mix, and we are mixing well. Now let us move on to our next ingredient. Here I have some marula oil, and marula oil is a very popular oil for skincare products, and that is because it contains vitamin C and vitamin E. It helps to boost collagen production. It also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines. It is a great oil for aging skin. It helps to get rid of dull, rough looking skin, and it also will help to clear hyperpigmentation when mixed with the other ingredient. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the marula oil. Pour this in our bowl, and now we're gonna mix all the oils together. I'm mixing 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon vegetable glycerin, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, and I'm also mixing a half a teaspoon of the marula oil. Now guys, you can choose to double up on this ingredient to make more, since this recipe has a long shelf life. So next we're going to reach for a small jar, and this is what we're going to store our facial moisturizer in. So you can use a small jar or a small bottle. Pour this in the jar. Make sure to get everything out. Every single drop is precious. And here we have our anti-aging facial moisturizer. This facial moisturizer is great for most skin type, and it is good for nighttime use. So all you need is 2 to 3 drops of this moisturizer. Apply it over your facial toner, massage it on the skin. Don't forget to go down on the neck and décolleté with this moisturizer. Once you are done, you go to sleep with it. Upon the rising in the morning, you rinse off and look at your skin. Beautiful, wrinkle-free, gorgeous, amazing, fresh, bright looking skin. Now this can be used every night on your skin, and all you need, guys, is just 2 to 3 drops. 2 to 3 drops of this amazing facial moisturizer, and you're on your way to up to 18 years younger looking skin. Store it on the countertop, and you can store it for up to 6 months in a cool area on your kitchen. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it 8 thumbs up. Don't forget to share, guys, and leave your comment. Also on this channel, we have a weight loss challenge going on, a 30 days weight loss challenge. If you want to be a part of this challenge, look below. There's a link. Follow that link for all the videos. Also, we just did a 25-day skincare challenge. If you want to do the 25-day skincare challenge, the link is also below the video. Also, if you want to become a member of the channel, click on the join button below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video with another amazing recipe just for you.